if you want to buy something for Filipino food. No, started on 219. Huh? Come every day. Yeah, I will make. I will show to the all which one you can buy here. Tomorrow I'll come back. I will vlog what you have available here. Gabriel Obama. Napapasok tayo sa loob. Bibili tayo ng bili muna ako ng pansit canton. I will buy pansit canton ya? Pansit canton. Bili muna akong pansit canton. Yan, ito. Yan, pansit canton. Ito yung mabibili natin dito. Aywa, pansit canton. 14 real. 11? 11 sa? This one buy. Chili. Pansit canton, kalamansi. Mas maganda chili. Fried noodles. This one buy, I'll take this one. This one too much chili. Where's that? How much?
10 real.
10 real. So nakabili na tayo ng pansit canton. What else? So ito yung ating mabibili dito. Ibang pwede nating ano. Hindi ako kumakain ng pansit canton pero bihirang-bihira. Wala na, yun lang. Isda, frozen. Chili. So yan, marami silang mabibili dito. May tabasco. Ito yung mga sauce nila. So pinakurat. Suka, masarap to. Buy pinakurat, how much? Not clear. So ito, masarap to, pinakurat. Paborito ko to eh. Itong pinakurat na to. Galing pa to ng Sausawan ng Bayan. How much? Okay. How much? 9 real. I will take also. Pinakurat. 9 plus 10, 19. Nakaka 19 real na tayo. Tayong palaman. Ito, tinapay. So meron ladies choice. So maraming pagkain pinili na mabibili. Ito palaman naman, ladies choice. So bibili tayong tinapay, ladies choice. Huwag na natin itong ladies choice. One ladies choice. So we take the ladies choice. Bread. Huwag tayo ng bread. Where is my bread? Bread. Tayong tinapay. Naman tayo ng bread natin. Where's your bread, Bray? Tasty. Slice. Yan tayo ng tasty bread. Aywa. Tayong tasty bread dito. Lucent. White bread. How much?
6 real.
Okay, bring 6. Okay, kalas. May money finish. Yes. So I buy here all. So ito na nabili natin. Ladies choice. Saka itong pinakurat.
33.
Pansit canton.
39.
Saka yung tinapay. Ayan.
Sorry, white bread.
White bread.
Yeah. This one company name Lucent Company.
Aywa, same company. Bayad na tayo. 10 real. So yan, nagbayad na tayo ng ating pinamili dito sa tindahan ni na boss. See, these are change. Thank you. Bye-bye. Aywa. So we'll go now. We finish shopping. Gabriel Ababat. Gabriel Ababat. Ay, type pin.
Gabriel Ababat.
So yan, para makita nila, this is the shop. If you want to buy something for Filipino food, no, started only 219. Huh? Come every day. Yeah, I will make. I will show to the all which one you can buy here. Tomorrow I'll come back. I will vlog what you have available here. Gabriel Obama. Gabriel.
Gabriel.
So yan, hanapin doon nila yung channel natin. Okay. Today I will post this one. Tomorrow I will come back and then I will show what you have here,
Yeah, yeah.
what you are selling. No problem. Good.
Yeah, yeah.
To all my kabayan. So, ayan.
Slow.
No problem. Just this my name. It will come. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we will go now. Thank you. Bye.
Ababa.
Yeah. If my free time, I'll come here. I will take all video. No problem. I will vlog all. What all available. Thank you. Bye. Ayan. Alsa tayo. Balik na tayo sa ating area.